Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you what I made. This one is the one I showed you from last night. But I decorate this as the color white. It's made of paper. And it's very special. And it moves like that. Left, right. Left, right. And did you remember this one? Yes. And this can move with the charging like this. This is how you're gonna straight and there yes, seeing, and you move like it's charging off. The power is going up and down. But when the up and down gets faster, that means it's full charge. Full charge. And you can barrel without it lobat. Here's the next one. I have an eraser, but it's made of clay and the small mouth too. But it looked like a mouse, but it's not a mouse, it's a bear. But I only add it with gray. So does it look nice? But yes, but there's an eraser here that can erase any drawings. And when it gets tigas, it's gonna be a normal eraser. And these are the eyes, door, and decorations. And the next one, this one. You know what is it? Moving character. You're right. And I'm gonna show you how this works. This is how it's done. You move the hands when you can move the hands whatever you want to move. And the other one can move too. It can actually like carry something like this. Like that. And it can stand with the square here. And the last one is this. This one is a Spider-Man head. But when you look down, you can see it pops out like that. When you move it like this, and then like that, it jumps. It can also look on you like that. It's looking at you. So bye everyone. Watch for my next video. Bye. Thumbs up.